Cutoffs of Delhi University of all the colleges are out by now, and I think all of you know about this thing. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So now the thing is that your cutoffs have been released, but the problem is that many of you are confused कि now what to do next. Means cutoffs have been released, some of you might have got your means the percentage according to that, some of you might not have got it, so everybody is getting confused. But don't worry, I have created this video to clarify all your doubts. There is no need to worry. Now only you have to follow the admission process. Means this admission process will be followed by those students whose cutoff is according, means whose marks are according to the first cutoff. Means suppose you have got that much percentage, and we all know that the percentage of cutoffs is very high this year. Means even in some colleges it is 100%, 99%. So this thing is quite baffling for all teachers and students. But don't worry, suppose your marks are according to the first cutoff and you think that you can get admission in a particular college. Now you don't have to do much. What you have to do now means, now your wait is over, that your cutoffs are released, and now what you have to do, you simply have to visit that website of that college. Means this year this whole process is online. Means you don't have to go to any college, you don't have to visit any college. It has been clearly told in the webinar also, which was conducted by the Delhi University. Means they have clearly said that if you would go to the colleges, then also you won't be allowed entry. So be very careful about this thing. So simply you have to go to the website of that particular college in which you have been given admission, and there you have to upload all your mark sheets, your character certificates, your reservation certificates, and whatever you have to upload. Means all the documents you have to upload there, and then you have to upload your original documents, self attested original documents you have to submit. Then they will be verified by a committee, and then once the verification process is done, then you will have to submit the semester fee of that particular college, and then in this way you will be registered with that college, and you will be provided one receipt, and that will be considered as your temporary ID card for that particular college. And maybe you will be given your library or ID card also, because since last year the process is going on like this. So now one more thing you have to keep in mind, because this year the registration process is completely online, so you have to keep printouts of your registration form. Means because there one enrollment number will be there, which you have to remember, because everywhere you will have to fill that enrollment number. So these are very simple things. You need not get panicked, you need not get worried. Simply you have to follow this process. But one more thing here, suppose your name is not there in the first cutoff, means you are not eligible to take admission in your favorite colleges according to the first cutoff, then you need not worry about anything. You simply have to wait for second cutoff, and in this way many more cutoffs are yet to be announced, so you really need not worry. And even if you are not able to make it in Delhi University, then IP University is definitely a better option, or you can say a good option. And after this video I'm definitely going to create one more video that will be for sports quota and ECA quota students especially. So stay tuned for that, and if you have not subscribed to Kingdom of Learning yet, do it fast, and do share this video with others also, because I think all the students are getting confused at this moment. So this becomes the responsibility of all of you to help your friends also. And yes, don't forget to like the video also. Thank you everyone.